Hi everyone, I've been asked how to delete the data in Total Trader that you get when you download the journal initially. So this is in effect my own personal trading data, but it's also in there to give you an idea of how the different charts look and how the different tabs all work together. So if you want to obviously put in your own trading data, you don't want to have my data in there. So a really quick way to delete everything in the journal and start again is you go to the Journal tab. You highlight all the rows that contain all the data. Scroll all the way to the top. Make sure you keep the top header row, and then right mouse click and delete. That's it. And then you'll see that when you go overall stats, it's zeroed everything. It's reset all the data. The dashboard has reset everything. The only thing that remains is the account size, because that's driven by this. So you know, if you start off with $500. That's what you would see in the $500. Now all of these will start populating as and when you start putting in data. Same thing for performance. You can see all the charts have reset to 0, and same thing with detailed stats. So the only things you need to reset manually, and once again this is very quick, you go to Trader Personality, delete everything, go to Daemon Finder, delete all the yeses. What else is there? Daily snapshot. Okay, I would keep this as the last entry because this is the template for how it works. So you can highlight everything from here on upwards, delete it, and now you can delete my comments. And obviously this will now, all of this will now populate automatically as soon as you start putting in data into the journal that gets outputted. So you just have to put in whether it's sim or live and obviously the date. This information will come from a DAS or any other software platform that you use, as long as you put this information here. If you're using DAS, it comes from the P&L statement within DAS. And this chart is just drawn by using this information, which I'll show you. Using that information, right? And that's it. So if you were to create, so let's say tomorrow let's say today you've traded, so you copy in, so this is what I'll do. So tomorrow you create your tab, you call it, say tomorrow's going to be the 21st of June. Obviously this is all 0 because you don't have any trades in the journal for that date. You copy the top row of this down to here. And then when you finish your trading day, you would copy all of this information from there. So let's say you took just these trades tomorrow, and then you copy in however many rows you need. Then you copy in your chart, control copy, control V to paste. And the last thing is just make sure that you link this chart, not using the previous day, but obviously the day that you want. So you just drag this down like that. That's it, and then you can put your text summary in here. Right, that's it. That's how you reset Total Trader. The last thing is, if you want to use this as an optional extra, you don't have to. Once again, you know, we're no longer in May. You can just highlight these, delete. You can put your own comments in here because I think I've already put a formula anyhow that just adds the weekly column. So you can just copy this formula down if you like, and then that's it, and then remove my data and you're good to go. Okay, so hopefully that's helped and answered some questions. If you get stuck, let me know. My email address is bart@daytradearcade.com, and good luck with it, guys. Thank you.